It's a very light aeroplane. It's only 700 pounds with a pilot. It will take somebody with a lot of experience and know-how to fly this carefully, and also when conditions allow.
Right.
It's too windy today, wouldn't fly it today anyway. Lots of people would like to fly it, but it's got to be a pilot with experience, with light aircraft, and it's got to be the right conditions to fly it.
Okay.
Everybody says, let me know when it's going to fly. It'll be one of those things that it'll just come together on one occasion, the weather's right, the pilot's there, and it'll happen.
Who designed all this?
Steve. He's hidden all the best bits under the box, but there you go.
So what we do is I'll be turning it, turn the inlet valve open, stop, prime, 2 shots through the inlet valve, I'll spin it 3 or 4 times, and we do the same the other side.
We're in charge of the start. They will change.
Yeah. Oil is on and locked.
Okay. Obviously move that out of the way.
Yeah.
So if I run out of ideas to manoeuvre, I'll just stop and put my hands up, and then you can come in.
Right.
Yeah.
That's it. Then you can swing over. It's not an ideal cushion, but it's what I use for laying underneath it generally. You look a little bit taller. On the wall there you'll see some black lines. Don't go past there when you're starting, because you'll retard the engine too much, advance the engine too much rather. If you can come back from that as much as will enable you to start, so much the better.
Thank you. Sort my radio out.
Fuel is on, Terry, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Want to prime again with the valves open, Andy?
I'll give one more go first on the flooded.
Contact!
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 Contact! Off!
Contact!
Contact! Off!
Firing.
Off!
Close, but not.
It's not firing enough, is it?
Put more throttle on it then and give it a little bit more throttle. Contact!
Contact! Off! Off!
Never been this bad cold. It's only when it's warm it's so useless.
Contact! Off! Off!
Contact!
Contact!
Oh, nearly. Oh, backfire job. That
Off!
nice one. That's the finger breaker, that one.
Off!
That's a piece of history completed.
Yeah.
You're smiling anyway, so it can't be that bad.
There you go.
You got quite a long way off the ground there at one point. 20 feet.
So the good news is that controllability is great at low speed in terms of aileron and elevator. First hop I went to about 45 miles an hour. That was primarily just check that the airplane was in trim longitudinally, and it is pretty much. And then the next hop was intended just to see how fast it would go in ground effect in the length of the runway I had available, and I got to 55 miles an hour, and it was feeling fine. 55 miles an hour. 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 55 miles an ho